kidlets, I want you guys to do this activity here, but it struck me that perhaps some of you do not know how to use a protractor. So I'm just gonna show and walk you through the first one, and you'll be required to do B and C and D all on your lonesome. But I first just want to I want to give you guys the most fightingest chance to be able to complete the task. So the activity, you'll need a ruler and a protractor, and don't worry about the compass. Ruler and protractor are going to be just peachy. So we're going to construct the following triangles, and you have to answer how many triangles are possible. So triangle ABC with C being 30 degrees, B being 10 centimeters, and C being 4 centimeters. Now, just to go over some naming conventions here, if this right here is C, now this angle is way too big to be 30 degrees, but if this angle right here is C, then that means that this guy right here is going to be little c, and if I say that this angle is B, it means that the side opposite is going to be little b. And if this angle here is A, the side that's opposite it is going to be little a. Okay, so that means that the angle or the side that's across from C is going to be 4 centimeters. So I'm just going to mark off 30 centimeters here, or sorry, 30 degrees. So what you're doing is you're matching up this middle part with the end of the line here. That's something that's really important, and making sure, if you can see right here, it's a little bit blurry, you have to make sure that the line is right on. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to take a more fine, you guys can just do this with a pencil, and I'm just going to mark off where 30 degrees is. Now, there are two different 30 degrees, okay? There is going to be a 30 degrees that's over here, and a 30 degrees that's over here. We're going to go from 0. I'm just going to line this up again. Like that, and we're going to draw up to 30 here. So that right there is going to be my marking for degrees. So if I'm going to call, let's see here, I'll call this guy B. So now it says right here that I need to have 10 centimeters for B. And it has to go through this right here. So I go here. And somehow I need to be able to get 4 centimeters. So the length of this, the C, can change. So I'm just going to see, is there any place where if I turn at any angle that 4 centimeters is going to touch? And it's not. Like even the shortest route down, I would end up with 4 centimeters right here. And that doesn't touch. So with this kind of scenario, there are no triangles possible. So what I want you guys to do is go through B, C, and D and see how many triangles are possible with those.